These tiny golden monkeys have just made their debut at Chester Zoo. Leaf and George stand at just 8 inches tall. They are golden lion tamarins, hailing from the forests of Rio de Janeiro in Brazil, and in the wild, they're almost extinct. But Chester Zoo conservationists stepped in to back a global effort to support the remaining few hundred of the species and stop them from dying out. A coordinated breed and release program was launched, and they quickly bounced back. James Starr, primate keeper at Chester Zoo, says they're the same size as a bottle of pop, but distinctive coats and charismatic behaviour make them easy to spot. And they've been caught on camera exploring their new home at the zoo. Follow for more.